Hi! Would you like to have a life skill through which you can create a high monthly income by working when you want, from the comfort of your home? I know it sounds too good to be true, but I'm not talking about affiliate marketing, pay-to-click websites, poker, or any other get-rich-quick scheme that's under the sun. I'm talking about teaching you a set of skills through which you can create something amazing that people actually want, and that's high-quality website designs. Startups and companies are willing to pay top dollar for a great, unique design because they know that a good-looking website makes a business succeed. I'm talking about a homepage design that starts from $500 and goes all the way up to $2,500, and there's no coding required, so you don't need to know any programming. I've made over $50,000 working in Photoshop alone by designing websites, and over the years I've learned tips, tricks, and secrets that totally change the way I work. I'm going to share all my experience with you, teach you the ropes, give you the inside information, everything from A to Z. You don't even need to know Photoshop, because I'll teach you that as well, in a simple way to understand. Everything you need to know is in this course. Plus, I will include tens of premium project files of mine, guides that show you how to select the best projects, tons of resources, and much, much more. So, you have 3 courses in one: a hands-on Photoshop tutorial, a web design tutorial, and a guide on how to make money from your designs. Start right now and learn in a couple of days what I did in a couple of years, and you'll start making money with your designs within weeks.